So as you unroll your pizza dough, you're just gonna lay it right inside of your pan, just like so. And it's okay if those edges kind of hang out a little bit. Oh, we're just gonna wrap that right around there. Now check this out. I have some marinara here. I don't know what your favorite kind is, but I tend to really like Rao's, and it always just is like right on point. So if you have another favorite one out there, share it in the comments, let us know, because I would definitely love to give it a try. So I'm taking a little bit of sauce here, spreading it right on top of my pizza dough, just like so. Pretty simple, pretty easy here. Then I'm gonna take some ground beef that I just browned right there on the skillet. Oh, and I'm gonna put it right on top of this sauce, but nice, thick, and chunky, you guys. This is like going to be a hearty and really tasty dinner. I don't know, maybe you're gonna eat this for lunch. You can tell us in the comments what you think about that, and I'm gonna load it up. So I'm moving in with some cheese, because what would this be without some creamy mozzarella cheese? And I'm gonna put that cheese right on top. Definitely not gonna be stingy about this, because this is the best part, if you ask me. Okay, so we got a nice layer of cheese, perfect. Then we'll come right back in with tomato sauce again. So basically we are sandwiching in this ground beef with the cheese and the tomato sauce right here in this pizza crust. My mind is like, hey, do I want pizza? Do I want lasagna? Maybe we're just gonna make a pizza lasagna and call it a day. So that's kind of what we're doing here today. So I don't know if you're gonna throw any other toppings in there. Maybe you're going to get a little spicy with some jalapenos, or maybe you want, I don't know, are you like a pineapple kind of person? I'm not sure, right? You tell us what you think. So in the meantime, I'm gonna come in here with some more meat and spread this all right on top. So we want a nice, thick, deep dish here. So we're rolling with about, I'm gonna say 2 pounds of meat right here in our little pan. I did make extra, so I wanted to be sure, but it looks to me like we are gonna fill this sucker up with 2 pounds of some ground beef, and I'm not, like you can see, I'm definitely loading this up. So we are not stinging out here on a nice, hearty meal. So we'll follow it up with some more of that sauce. Oh, now we're getting to the top layer here. So nice sauce, it's gonna drip all the way down, but I love the idea of just having those layers, because then there's no dryness, right? We're gonna have some good marinara just going through this whole entire thing, along with this meatiness and the cheesiness. And like I said, maybe you're throwing in some extra stuff, maybe you're throwing in some veggies. Probably not a bad idea, but you know what? I'm not gonna lie, I just really wasn't feeling the mood for veggies today. So we're kind of going like a meat lover style here and getting a little bit crazy with it. I think that's good sauce. I always like a lot of sauce. Sometimes I think that I feel like I have enough, but then I want more. So I kind of tend to put more than I think, and then it turns out just the way that I like it. So I'm gonna dump the rest of this cheese right on top, because it is definitely necessary. Oh yeah. We cannot waste any of this. And last but not least, we'll jazz it up with some pepperoni. Just kind of keeping it real, you know, and just keeping it authentic here with the pepperoni. But yeah, I don't know. What are your even favorite pizza toppings? Do you change it up, or do you tend to go to the same thing? Actually, that's what I would really rather know. Do you ever change up your pizza toppings? Or are you like, hey, I like pineapple and ham, or I like, you know, whatever your jazz might be. Okay, look, I need to do that, even it out for my for my mindset. Okay, all right, this looks great, you guys. I cannot wait to pop this in the oven. It's gonna take probably about 30 minutes. I have that set on 400, and stick around, because what I really wanna do is just slice into those layers of the meat and the cheese and get some good dough in there. And yes, I'm getting pretty hungry, so I can't wait for it to show you. Stick around. Wow, look at this. Now we're talking. That cooked up perfectly. We've got some cheesiness on top. We have some really good golden brown crust. Oh, this looks amazing. I hope that I'm able to cut into it and serve it up as easy as it was to put it together. So of course, if you want to let it cool down a minute, that's exactly what I did, because it's going to make it a lot easier to get in there and get yourself out a nice big piece. Oh, this feels so nice. Layers of meat and cheese. Who could go wrong? Oh, yeah. Let's get this right out of here. Oh, look at that beefiness. Woo, cheesiness. All of that cheese just coming down. That looks so amazing. Wow, that turned out so good. You guys, look at those layers in there. Cheesy, beefy, saucy. What more could you want? All right, David, I'm gonna let you get the first try of this because I know you're starving and I would love to feed you because I'm stuffed already.
Let's go.
All right, let's go. We are cooking so much good stuff up here today, but I definitely think this one tops the charts, so I can't wait for you to scarf down on it. It looks like this massive deep dish pizza lasagna, exactly how I wanted it to turn out. Pretty excited about this one.
Oh yeah, here we go.
Oh my gosh, sauce in every bite, meat in every bite. Yeah, I knew that was gonna turn out great.
Very good.
Oh, I'm so excited about that. Let me know what you guys think about this. There are so many ways you could change it up and you could throw so much more stuff in, but look at what a great way the pizza crust just makes almost like a bowl for whatever you want to throw inside. I love this idea. Let me know what you guys think. We'll have that recipe linked below in the comments. Thanks for being a part of this space. Like and share, you guys, if you enjoy. We'll see you later. Enjoy.